So today, I'm building a kiwi bird because there's somebody in my class that screams every time she sees a bird. So I'm going to be making a bird somewhere over here. Let's go here. So every time she sees a bird, she screams because she's obsessed with birds. Because she likes birds a lot. Okay, and then, so first we're gonna build the feet, right? Because that's what every bird needs. A feet! I think the middle finger should be a little bit longer. Should I do that? I think so, because that's how birds are, I guess. I think that's how birds are. Because I saw a bird foot on my soccer field a few days ago. It was like a bone. At school we saw that. So yeah, so we had this weird person's bone that was a bird's. So now we're gonna build like the bird's leg and then build up. Is that even equal? Oh wait. Wait, let me do something. I can't even press it for some reason. Wait, let me try again. Guess I gotta get closer. I think that's pretty good. That looks like it's not equal. But I mean, the bird is stepping, so I guess it's okay. So 3, then we start building the butt, the kiwi butt. Oh, and just so you guys know, kiwi bird is a type of bird that is from Australia, I think. Or no, it's not from Australia. It's from like New Zealand. Yeah, it's from New Zealand. Because it's special because it's like, it has like, its nose hole on like the top of its beak. And it's like, I think it's like the only bird that has that. And the girl that screams always, she is an expert on birds, so we can ask her if it's true that they are the only ones. Okay. Okay, there, that's good. And then let's build another one here. And then, yeah, and then just keep. Oh yeah, and kiwi birds are brown. I'm just making it gold so I can coat it later with brown wool. Okay, there. So far, pretty good. Now we're gonna make the kiwi butt round. Oh, and she also said in Minecraft there was like a song called Chirp, so let's see if I can find it. I might not be able to find it because I can't type on this thing. Or actually, yeah, I can type actually. My bad, I'm just a little dumb today. Okay, now we're gonna make its front. Hey yo, let me press you. What the hell? Oh, and also in my next video, I'm gonna be making a parrot house that is a parrot. So I'm gonna be trapping a parrot inside of a glass block. Do you hear that background noise? Those are my siblings. You can ignore them if you want. Now we're gonna do that. Let's go in here. Oh, look, everybody, I'm inside of a bird. Those are my siblings in the background. Okay, now I'm gonna get wool. Let's see. Okay, now let's coat the kiwi bird. Let's mine a layer, actually. That was just like reference to what I'm supposed to put the brown wool. That's where you're supposed to put it, and then mine these 3 rows. Okay, now these 3 rows. Wait, did I just mine something? I think I mined something. Did I mine something? Bruh. I'm asking myself if I mined something. I'm like, did I mine something? Did I not mine something? Did I mine something? Okay, there. I'm done with the kiwi butt. I mean, not done. Not even done. I'm almost done, though. Yeah. Go here. Oh, did you hear that? Those are sheeps. Bad news for you guys, sheeps. I'm constructing my kiwi bird with you guys. Oh! I don't think that was a roast. Hey, yo, why doesn't this guy let me mine? What the? I feel like Minecraft's a little bit slow for me because look how slow I walk. I think I used to walk faster in Minecraft. Nah, I just think it's that I haven't played it for long. I haven't played it in a long time, so I guess that's why. Okay, that looks pretty good. Kiwi bird done is kiwi bird butt. I was about to say kiwi bird done is almost butt, but I'm supposed to say kiwi bird butt is almost done. What if I actually said that? Okay, there. Now we can do that part of the butt. Okay, there. You know kiwi birds have wings, but they're actually like really small. They're like 1 inch. Oh yeah, I have to leave this story for the next video. I was about to tell you guys a story, but I can't tell you it right now in this video. So check out my parrot video where I make a house for parrots. And you'll know the true story about me and birds. You'll see what I actually am. Because once I mean, I can't say it. I can't say it. When I'm trying to say it, you guys just have to watch that video. If you guys don't watch it, then you guys won't know the story about me and the bird. Me and the parrot. So you guys have to watch it. It's critical. It's a critical moment with me and a parrot. Julian versus a parrot. Okay, there. I'm already finished with the kiwi butt, so now I'm doing this layer of the sides. Do you think I should put wings? Like just little blocks? I think I should, because it'll look a little bit cuter. I'll just do it. Oh, and just now I played Mario Odyssey. You guys have to play it, it's really good. I'm just getting some moons and stuff. I beat the game already, but I still want to get moons. Alright, so there. That looks pretty good. Oh, and also, you guys can comment down below whatever you want to see. Like, if you guys want to see me build stuff, me building a whatever you want. Anything, it can be anything. Don't expect me to build something hard though. I'm terrible on hard builds. I'm a loser on hard builds. Wait, let me mind that piece. That piece is not supposed to be there. Okay, there's that one. Oh, and also, the girl that likes kiwi birds and birds thinks that birds are orbs. Comment down below if you agree with her. Oh, and this is one thing that she always says. Pigeons are fat. Can you believe it? Pigeons are fat. That's crazy. If pigeons were actually fat, then, yeah, I don't know. They'll look funny. They'll look like queso. Oh, they'll look like the most fattest pigeon in the world. Oh, and if you guys can send me a picture of a fat pigeon in the comments, go ahead and do that. But now we're finishing the outside. So we're covering this part with gold. No gold. We don't need gold now. Hey, yo, bro doesn't let me place the wool blocks. Huh? Huh? Okay, there. Now we can get out of here and finally build it. Then we're gonna build the head, which I don't know what side is, so I'll just check the feet. The feet face the side of the head. Okay, we'll leave a hole for that. Okay, the feet is facing that way, so I guess the head is supposed to be here. So let's make a round head. Let's go down here. Then build the roundest head we can build. Okay, there. There, that's pretty good. That's the shape of the head. So let's build up. Let's build up some speed. Like I show speed. What if I was faster than I show speed? What do I do? Do I race him? Make him cry? That would be really mean. Oh, bros are screaming downstairs. Oh. Bros are screaming downstairs. Oh. Oh, bros are so close. Okay, now it's actually super loud.
Who is it?
Oh my god, bros are screaming so loud. Bro. Those people were actually screaming. Okay, so now we're gonna like finish it.
Daddy, I farted.
Bro.
Sorry, I farted a ginormous fart.
Bruh. They just fart all day long. That was crazy. Bros actually stormed into the room. That was crazy. Okay, now we can build the orb. I mean, the bird. I said the orb. So now the kiwi bird expert is gonna laugh super hard. Also known as screams at bird. And if you're watching this video, just comment down below, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. I know you're watching. No, I know you're watching. Actually, I know you're watching. Yes, we did! My God! I think we need to cut off his butt chin. His butt chin is a little bit too big. Now we're gonna do it speed. Huh? Okay, now let's do it speed. Oh my god, bro, that looks like a duck, buddy. Hell nah. My proportions. Actually, that looks okay. That actually looks pretty good. That looks good, actually. My tank is lighting up. Hey, yo. Move, Alex. Oh, yes. Here we go. So that's so far. Bro, Alex, stop. Okay, I'll press shift. Happy now? Oh my god, bro, slammed the door. Gotta be kidding me. What? Did I drop on my wall? What? Wake him up, huh? Okay, now I don't think we need to cover this up. Let's just do that. Because screaming at birds person doesn't want to see a bird torn in half. So let's just... My feet are sore because I'm doing crisscross applesauce. Oh yeah, remember we talked about the wings? Let's do that after this. No promises. Just kidding. Yes, promises. I'll definitely do the wings. Of course I will. Think I'm a no promise guy? Guess what? I'm a promise guy. Nobody found that funny, I guess. Why is my iPad glitching? Well, actually, yeah, I should have been there. Okay, so those are the wings. Nobody can tell they are. It's okay. iPad, stop glitching. Let's see if that's correct. Just one more block down there. Hey, yo, let me put that block. Okay, there. Cursed wings. Like it. Okay, now let's add the eyes. Black wool for eyes. How much minutes is this video? So this is the kiwi bird. If you see this, go scream. Now, it's time for this kiwi bird dance. Hello everyone, I am a kiwi bird. Don't say I am a little turd, because I am the best bird. I come from New Zealand.